Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to Crafting at the Lake House. These are the projects I created for the attendees at my in-person annual event in September, and I'm sharing them with you here on my YouTube channel and blog. Today we're working on a very simple card design number 9. We are featuring the Wishing You Joy stamp set. This has 4 sentiments, 3 different ways. So the fonts are different, and you could use this stamp set for a multitude of cards, whether they're whimsical or they are classic or you want them sort of scripty, fonty. This is the reason why I love this stamp set. So I have here a shaded spruce and gold edged 7/8 inch ribbon. I have just a piece of twine that I had in my stash. I am tightly tying a knot. Then I'm going to trim off the back or the ends of the twine, and I will be just left with the knot. So as you can see, I have the Elegant Pine Snowflakes Designer Series paper, and I have matted that with the Shaded Spruce cardstock, and I will have a PDF that you can download for all the sizing, so I won't have to confuse you with numbers here. And I adhered that to the front of my, or actually I adhered the DSP to the mat, and then silly me, I put adhesive on the back of this, and I only wanted adhesive where I'm going to stick the ribbon. So ignore me putting adhesive there. So we just want a strip of adhesive on the long or the short sides of the card, and then I'm going to put dimensionals all over the rest of the card and adhere that to my basic white thick card base. So it pops it up a little bit. The reason why I didn't stick it directly down to the card is because I didn't want the ribbon to create unsightly bumps where I didn't want them. So I did that. I've inked up my Noel sentiment, and these circles are from the Spotlight on Nature dies. They just went really well with this design. And I've used 2 different circles that match, and then I put some dimensional adhesive on the top and the bottom of this ribbon, and I did manipulate the ribbon just a little bit so that it would look more gathered. But that was the intent, to have the ribbon looking gathered underneath the Noel. Now I don't show this in the video, but I did decorate the card with delightful decorative dots. So that is my simple card for you today. Please leave me some lovely comments below, and I will see you on Wednesday with card number 10. Bye for now.